Hello everyone, welcome to Wyzebulb. We're going to walk you through the process of using the Wyzebulb Connect Webhook add-on for Google Sheets. This add-on allows you to send data from your Google Sheets directly to your webhook URL, making it easier to automate your workflows. To get started, the first step is to install the Wyzebulb Connect Webhook add-on for Google Sheets. Once installed, you can set up your webhook URL by clicking on the Wyzebulb Connect option in the add-ons menu. After clicking on Wyzebulb Connect, choose the Initial Setup option to set up your webhook URL. This will bring up a pop-up window where you can paste your webhook URL. I will recommend use Wyzebulb for Automate Workflow. You can choose the Wyzebulb Webhook option as the trigger and get the webhook URL. After submitting your information, you can test the trigger by clicking on the Send Test button. Once you've completed the initial setup, any new data that comes into your Google Sheet will be sent to your webhook URL. That's it. This is how the Wyzebulb Connect Webhook add-on for Google Sheets works. If you have any questions or issues, please feel free to reach out to our support team.